my Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Hello,
Yes.
where's the PS5?
I still don't know where I put it.
Do you know?
No,
Yes, you do.
I don't. Okay, I have to.
No,
I have to
just
go
tell
because
me where.
I
Just
don't
tell me
know.
what room.
No,
Tell me
I
what
don't
room.
know. I already
Well,
give you
you
the
better
other.
look when you get home,
Yes,
because
so.
I can't use the other one.
Alright, okay, I have to go because
What
Holly.
time?
I don't know. I will be home 9:30.
Why don't?
Alright, bye, Zach. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Kasi hindi ko pa pala nabigay yung PS5 na remote kasi nakatago siya. And hindi ko na alam kung saan ko tinago. For sure, nasa live selling ko yun. And lumipat na tayo dito sa calls kasi ang ingay doon. And Holly has something to tell you guys. Gusto ko sana ako magsalita. Pero sabi niya siya na daw. Okay.
So we are keeping a secret from you guys because we're surprising our Lola and Lola.
Lola and Lolo.
Lola and Lola, because we're celebrating Christmas with them in the Philippines.
Yes.
And
For
so Monday we're driving to Melbourne, and then Tuesday we're flying to the Philippines.
Yes, next week na guys. So, insert ko yung clip muna. Guys, time is
7:48, the 24th of August.
And we just
Got booked to Philippines.
yeah, nakabook na kami ng ticket, guys.
And we're surprising Lola.
Yeah, so hindi
And we're spending Christmas and New Year there in the Philippines.
yeah! So again, hindi pa lang makapaniwala na alis kami ni Holly na December. Never talagang ano yan sa akin na makakapag-expand kami ng Christmas sa Pinas kasi nga kasagsagan niya ng
And New Year.
yeah, New Year. Fishing ni Jan. So, hindi talaga kayo makakapunta the whole family.
Can't wait
But-
to try crispy chicken Jollibee and spaghetti.
But
from
at
them.
least, pinayagan kami ni Sir na kahit kaming dalawa ni Holly. Kasi ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-Christmas. And again, mapapanood nyo to. Well, late naman ang vlog ko, di ba? So, hindi to ma-up until na nakita namin si Mama. Kasi pag in-upload ko to ngayon, hindi na surprise kasi lagi yung nag-check si Mama ng vlog ko.
Wonder what Lola's gonna say when she sees us surprised.
No! Oh my God. Yeah, hindi
Does
alam.
Tita Crisel know?
No, not yet. Even my sister. Hindi niya pa alam. Pero siguro sasabihin ko
Does
sa
everyone
kanya.
else know?
No.
But
Yeah,
the
two
one
cousins.
who you called.
Yeah, my cousins. Yeah,
And the other one.
Yeah, they know. The one in the US and the one in the Philippines. Kung saan kayo mag-stay. No, we get
Next week
next
is
week, yeah.
September. And
So,
then it's the
Packing
21st.
our luggage kasi busy
Wait,
din kami
Mom.
dito.
I have dance tomorrow. How are you gonna pack while I'm at school?
No, tomorrow. Okay guys, so yun lang. Sinabi ko lang na nakabook na kami. Alright.
Can't wait to see.
Ah, hold. Okay, akala ko na dito.
Can't wait to see Lola and Tita Crisel
Yes, and Sandro, and Lolo,
yeah.
everyone else.
and Papa.
Okay, see you guys. So, sa nakita yung clips, nabook namin yung flight. And yeah, we're going to the Philippines, guys. And hindi ko siya masabi-sabi sa inyo kasi si Mama, lagi siya
If
nanonood
we
na.
posted it, then
Yan.
she's gonna see.
Si Lola kasi always watch our vlog every day. Kahit na napanood nyo na yan, papanoorin niya pa din. So, kaya ngayon pa lang. And I know by the time na i-edit ko tong vlog, kasama ko na siya. And kakutsaba ko yung pinsang ko. Pinapunta niya si Mama sa Manila. So, nagpaalam pa siya kay Papa. And si Papa, ayaw siyang payagan. Pero, yan, napilit naman. And gusto ko sanang isama si Papa. Si Papa kasi guys, ayaw niya sa Manila. Dahil, ayaw niyang nasa bahay lang. Tapos mag-mall ka lang. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya, lakwachero si Papa. So, hindi siya maperme sa Manila. Kaya, si mama lang. Gusto ko sana silang dalawa. Kaso wala. Okay. So, yun guys. We're going to the Philippines for the first time to spend Christmas. Oh my God. Last time kong Christmas sa Pinas, 20 years ago. 20 years ago, guys. 20 years. So, super exciting. And yung mga, kung nababanggit ko sa mga vlogs na sabi ko, I'm busy.
Is it high or low?
Low. Nag-ano ako noon, naghahanap ako ng nag-impake ako niyan. And hindi pa siya naka-finalize. And, mamaya, mag-impake tayo. Kasi sa sa Tuesday na kami, Monday kami alis, tapos bukas may concert pa to, kaya hindi ko matapos yung aking aking pag-iimpake. So, nilabas ko lang yung mga damit na kakailanganin namin na dalhin. Sabi si Baba? Yeah, right?
Mostly back.
Yeah. And then, ayusin ko siya tonight and bukas. And buti na lang pinayagan tayo ni John kasi fishing season kaya yan. And buti na lang din, malalaki na yung mga boys. Pero kung maliliit, hindi ako papayagan yan ni John. At hindi rin ako uwi ng Pinas kung maliliit pa sila sa katulad niyang age, hindi. Isasama ko sila. Pero, tatlo sila na maliliit, parang hindi tayo papayagan ni John. Tapos mag-isa lang siya sa bahay. Hindi ko rin kaya na mag-isa si John sa bahay. But ngayon kasi yung mga boys, may kanya-kanya na silang sariling lakad. Alam mo yon. So, pinayagan tayo ni John.
Am I going to school on Monday, Mum?
Yes, you are.
What time are we leaving?
Kaya din pinaalam ko siya na hindi siya papasok sa Tuesday. Kasi nga, alis kami ng Monday night.
What time are we leaving?
Tomorrow, Monday night, we're going to Melbourne. Then, our flight is morning on Tuesday. 5 o'clock in the morning yung flight namin sa Tuesday.
Yeah, but what time are we leaving on Monday?
Night, like midnight.
Oh, what?
So, you will be sleeping. Ayan. Mag-impake ako. Ayusin ko yung aking luggage. And can you get the other one, please? Thank you, Kuya. Alright, mag-impake ako, guys. Kasi bukas, concert. Then, Sunday, dinner party ni Jen for his 50th birthday. Kailangan ko siyang gawin ngayon and hopefully tomorrow. Ayan yung isa. So, one for me and one for Holly. Ito empty, pero nandito na yung mga gamit namin ni Holly na dadalhin sa Pinas. Ito yung mga chocolate ilalagay ko dyan, tsaka ibang gamit, ibang clothes. Okay. Wala na natin ang pag-impake. Baba, can you please grab all the chocolates? Look at that one. That pajama is short now, Baba.
I always wear this one apart.
Okay. Magbabawas pa ako dito. Babawasan ko pa ito. Sleep si John pagod. Kasi nag-work siya, di ba? Alas 2, gumising siya ng 2 o'clock in the morning. Then pagdating niya, nagpahinga lang saglit. And then, sumabak ulit siya sa sa farm. Here, Baba, put it here. I can't reach it.
Sorry.
And that one, the Coles bag. Ito, yung plate ko ito sa kapatid ko kasi mas maliit siya sa akin. Bago pa ito. Ayan.
Who's the guy?
Dati, kasya ako dito. Yung iba nito, na ganitong size. Ha? Tita Ying. So, bago pa ito. Hindi na ako kasya dito, guys.
It looks so small.
I know, I was fit before. Kasi may black nito. Nagkasya ako. Tapos, eto, nilakyan ko na siya. So, ibigay ko.
old ones?
No, this is brand new. I haven't worn this one. So, So, I'm giving it to Tita Ying. Ito, see? May tag pa siya. Saan to? Sa body
The tight.
the tight.
Extra
No, I got it from Cotton On. Ang tawag sa kanya, body the tight. Extra small ako before, ngayon. Huwag mo akong tingnan ganyan. Don't look at me like that, Holly. I'm large. So, iba-vacuum sealed ko siya. Meron ako dito. Kung
Don't we empty
sana kasya siya dito. No, don't empty that one, Mom. Sana magkasya siya kasi lahat to pang workout kasi nahihilig siya mag-ano, di ba? Very active yung kapatid ko.
We have empty pouches.
Oh, that's for the Philippines. Ayan.
Guys, we just got back and I just had a shower.
Yeah. Pinaliguan ko yung buhok niya kasi ang daming products na in-spray natin sa buhok
It
niya.
took so hard to take.
Baba, can you force the remote? Just turn it on with no sound.
Yeah.
Tapos eto, kasi nag-walking siya, mainit. Just just play it, please. And you have to dry your hair. Hindi na ako
I'm letting it to dry.
hindi na ako magagamit ng blower kasi magigising si Jan. Gusto niya matulog. Sabi niya, don't make a noise. So, eto bago pa to.
You used to wear this.
I used to wear this. I still have one. Ngayon,
Isn't it like a bright yellow? Like
yellow-green.
Yeah.
So, bigyan natin to sa kapatid ko. Ito, ayan, may tag pa.
Why are you wearing them now?
Because I'm not fit, Baba.
Oh yeah. Oopsie days.
Mm.
Are they shorts?
No. Pedal. Capri. Pedal. And this one, binilang ko yung kapatid kong lalaki, yung bunso namin, ng mga t-shirts.
Who's it made for?
Tito Floyd. So this is all from Kmart. Magaganda rin yung t-shirt sa Kmart, guys. So, ayan. Ang dami siya ditong show up.
Medium?
Yan, medium. Kasi medyo lumaki na siya. Yan.
It's Batman.
Yeah, gusto niya to eh. This is Batman. Ang cute. Ito yung ating regalo sa kanya. Regalo, pasalubong. And binilahan ko siya nasa car. Binilahan ko siya ng perfume na tulad kay Kuya. Silver
Oh,
something.
silver set.
Yeah, silver scent. Mabango siya, ha? In fairness doon, mabango yun. Tanggalan natin yung tag. Then, binala ko rin siya ng shorts. Sana kasya siya. Sana kasya to sa kanya. So, yun ang pasalubong natin kay Tito Floyd. Mga shorts. Ito kay Sandro to. Sana kasya dito si Sandro. And pants.
Oh. Don't we have to like
What?
what's the word?
What?
See how heavy it is?
Yeah, 30 kilo each. So, kailangan namin 30 kilo each international, 25 kilos domestic. So,
Can I take this off?
yes. Kasama naman namin si Mama sa flight. So, we're allowed 90 kilos. No. 25, 50, 75 kilos. So, papuntang Bicol. Nakabook na rin ako ng ticket namin papuntang Bicol.
When we get off the flight, you're gonna have to lift these luggages off.
We're not gonna, we cannot push it, diba?
No, you like when it drops in that spinny thing where all the
Oh,
boys
grabe nga.
yeah. Like the kitchen thing there.
Yeah, I can do it.
Like on 12.
No. Ilagay ko to dito. I have the small one. Large yan. Don't put it there,
No,
please.
I'm putting it in the bin like that.
Extra large. Meron akong medium. Ito. I-large ko na lang para sabay-sabay. Kay tita yun. Ipapump ko pa ito guys.
Wait.
Baba, can you put this ring? Over
In your little holder.
Yeah, in my ring holder, please. Ang laki naman ito, no? Ang laki. Ay, ang laki. Pangulaki dito. Meron din ako dala para kay mother. Nasaan na yung... nandun sa kwarto ni Daddy. Is Daddy asleep? Can you check?
What is it?
Can you get all the clothes on top of the...
Oh yeah, I saw that.
You saw that one? Okay, all of them. I have your pajamas, my PJs, just be quiet. Hindi mo mahirap mag-impake na may natutulog na. At hindi ko pa ito nasuot. Nabili ko ito sa Glassons. Magagamit na rin sa Pinasal. Magkasya siya. And dala ko yung ating mga nabili. Yung Ralph Lauren sa Iconic. So, dala natin ito. Sana hindi siya mapapalitan ito. So, okay. Unahin ko muna yung chocolates. Bumili ako ng advent calendar. Hindi ko alam kung dadalhin ko yun. Dapat sa mga bata. So, yung mga chocolates, meron pa ako dun sa garahe. And pag may space pa, kukuha pa ako bukas. And meron pala akong biniling Billing. Is that still awake? Yes. Okay. Here, Ma. Ha? Yeah. Ito, ibigay ko ito kay mother. Ayan, kasya dito si mama. Mahilig din sa mga dress. Is the TV off? Oh, sorry. But she's asleep. So this is your PJs that you're gonna bring. And eto, once lang ito nagamit, sana kasya kay mother. Or hindi, kay Nina Bicolana to. Sana mo kasya to. Ito kay mama din.
Lola.
Twinning kami ni mama, pero hindi ko dadalhin yung akin kasi...
Is it gonna fit her?
Yeah, this is size 20. Why? What do you think of Lola? Huh? I love ko. This one is our pajamas. Yeah. Where's your shorts for this one, Holly? Can you find your shorts?
That's for the pasta.
Yeah. So, eto pala guys. Hindi na ako dito si mama kasi before, nung nagpapapackage ako kay mama, lagi niyang bilin to. Ngayon, hindi na tayo nakakapag-package kasi wala na kaming carrier ng LBC dito sa lugar namin. Lumipat na sila sa sa Perth. So, wala nang nagpalit sa kanya. Kaya, hindi na tayo nakakapadalang package. Kahit gusto yung natin, wala na. So, binila ko si mama niyan. And itong skim milk. More. Ito yung instant full cream milk powder. And more. Para magkasya. Tapos kape. So, dalawang nasa glass. Ang labak. Hirap ko to. And then, meron akong refill. Dinala ko siya ng refill na 3. Tapos, yung coffee mate, yung creamer. Dinala ko siya ng 4. Pasalubong ko lang kay mama. Magpupuno na yung isang side ng ating luggage. Siguro itong kape, ipit ko dito sa mga damitan. Okay, 4. And bumili ako nitong truffle paste. Dadaling ko sa Pinas just in case magluto tayo doon na truffle. So meron tayo. So babalutin ko to sa paper. Okay, this is done. Okay, Baba, I have more chocolates.
Isn't it like
in the-
meat? Like,
No, in the shed. And dinala ko si Mamang Vegeta. Gustong gusto to ni Mama.
is it like kind of under your car?
Yes. So, bumili akong dalawang Vegeta. Ito yung ginagamit ko most of the time sa pagluluto ko, pampalasa.
Just one bag.
There's all bags there, Baba. And toothbrush. Alam ko may toothbrush sila. So, bumili ako ng Oral-B. And more. Yung isa dito, akin. Eto pala yung akin. This is Holly. So, kukuha ko dito ang isa. Then, Colgate.
Put the bag of the better.
Ha?
Put the handle of the
Colgate and Melanie selling Colgate. This is the Max Fresh.
one of the strips.
Yeah, watermelon blast. Ang galing ko lang kayo sa ano. What are you doing?
I bet.
Ang galing ko lang kayo sa bako. Oh, 5 pa lang binili natin na coffee maker, creamer, and Listerine Zero. Ibabalutin ko ito. Baba, can you get my brown paper there?
Brown paper.
Yeah, to wrap my stuff, remember? When I wrap my package? It will be on the right side when you go inside my live selling. Okay. Look on your right. You see it? The brown one.
The brown one.
Yeah, it's like crumble.
Guys, I have another concert tomorrow. I'm really busy, but luckily tomorrow is my last dance until next year. And tomorrow my concert is 1:15 to 4 o'clock, I think. Look at all the stuff there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these toothpastes. And we got one of mine. This is mine one. I was just sharing with them.
Hindi ko makita yung brown. So, ito na lang ng white.
These are the best. It's the dark chocolate.
May someone's open this. Meron tayong Smarties, Maltesers, milk chocolate ng Cadbury. Ang dami nito.
The 12 crispy wafer. And a whole bunch of Black Forest.
Parang hindi na natin kailangan bumili ba, but we don't have space. And ito, Black Forest. Black Forest
This is the
na
snack. Roast almond. Oh, this one. And then roast almond and a snack.
Oh, yeah. Magbabawan ako ng bone broth ng Jevity. Kasi gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. So, ito yung kape ko sa... Habang nagkakape sila mama, ito yung inumin ko kasi hindi ako nagko-coffee.
That's the same.
So, this one is... Hindi ko na mabasa. Basta, ito yung pinakamasarap. May flavor kasi yung isa.
This is the best one. I don't really like that.
No, the green one you
So
don't
that
like.
is this one.
Yeah, the green one. Ayaw niya to kasi medyo...
I haven't tried it.
this is lemon and herbs. Hindi niya gusto.
I haven't
No,
tried
we
that
haven't
one.
tried this one. But this one, no, I haven't tried this one. The AM Cleanse.
This is the natural mild.
Natural bone. Yeah.
This is the natural mild natural flavor.
And then, may pagbibigyan din tayo. So, dinamihan ko na.
This is some
Ay,
picnic.
sana huwag silang pumutok.
Picnic.
This one is enough na baba. Maybe not. I don't know. Why they gonna...
Because they're gonna melt. I'll just pick that Snickers. Cherry ripe. Another picnic.
Wala. Puno na yung...
3 Kinder chocolates.
Yeah.
12, but this isn't the waffle one. Wafers. We got a caramel as well.
Oh, we have more there,
This is
Mama.
their favourite.
What? M&M? I think that's enough for now in this. Kinuha ko yung sa pack
11 Twix fun size.
para madaming iba-ibang flavors.
And then we got a cherry light.
Para makontrol nila ang pagkain ng chocolates. Sila mama and papa, bawal na sila dapat nito. Pero,
And then that's
yung
the
iba, pamimigay naman. Pasalubong. Okay. That's enough. I'm gonna go this.
How much do you need? This is glow in the dark.
Yeah, okay.
Glow in the dark.
Okay, magbabawas ako ng damit. This is your clothes here. I hope it's your clothes here. I think so. Yeah, some of your clothes are here. Alright.
How much does
Update.
it need?
Not much. I'm gonna take some of mine and then we'll put yours.
That one?
No, here. We're gonna share here. Okay, update ko na lang kayo guys kasi baka ubos yung ating memory.
First flake of snow is said to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter.
Matutulog na to. Hala, I stole it, Baba.
So tired.
Okay. Good night, love you. See you tomorrow. And when you sleep, can you put your hair like this? Yeah, okay. Alright, ako na lang dito. Ang gising. Okay, update ko kayo guys. So guys, napagdesisyonan ko na itong nasa labas ng luggage na mga damit ko, hindi ko na lang sila dadalhin. pinili ko sila before na dadaling ko, pero dahil dyan sa mga chocolates na yan, hindi ko na lang to dadalhin kasi wala nang space si Holly pag dinala ko to. It's either pipili akong maiwan na yung ibang chocolate para madala ko to, or iwan ko na lang tong mga damit ko para mapasaya natin yung ating mga pagbibigyan ng chocolate sa Pinas. So, yun guys. So, ito na lang yung natirang damit na dadalhin ko. Tapos dito sa side kay Holly. Yung kayong Bicolana nga na, yun. Dun sa isang vacuum bag. Ay, sana mapagkasya ko dito. So, yeah, yun yung update ko. Bukas, yung kay Holly yung gagawin ko. Eto, i-vacuum ko rin to para umimpis ba siya. Para may space pa. Kasi hindi siya mabigat. Kasi kunti na lang yung damit natin. So, hindi pa to 30 kilos as in wala pa. Ito, mabigat. Hala. Oh, nagkaka-stress na mag-pack. Okay. Ilagay ko rin to sa vacuum. Iba-vacuum din natin ito. Ay, ang dami nito. Ang dami hindi ko madadala. Mga gusto ko pa naman ito sana, pero okay lang. Dito na lang natin yung suotin sa summer. Okay. Ayan na pala yung damit ko, na vacuum ko na siya. And, meron pala ako ditong box. Yan yung regalo ko kay Holly. So, paano na natin yan ipagkakasya? Regalo ko yan or ni Father Christmas sa kanya. In-order ko pa to sa Mecca. So, paano? Hala. Lalo akong na-stress. Parang magbabawas tayong chocolates. Kasi ayan po. Wala pa yung damit ni Holly. Dito pwede ako maglagay ng chocolates. Tapos yung toiletries pa namin. Tapos yung mga may gusto kong dalhin na protein powder. Ano pa? Sige na guys, good night na. Nakapaghilamos na tayo. Ngayon nakapag-change na ako ng PJ. So, yun ang vlog natin for today. Gusto ko na tong itulog kasi na-stress na. Bukas ko na lang ito ipapatuloy kasi meron pa ako dun sa car. Oh my God. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Mag-alas 2 na pala guys. Diba? Matulog na ako kasi maaga pa ako bukas. Kasi maaga ang concert ni Holly bukas. Okay guys, good night. Guys, I'm back. Dahil hindi ako mapakali, gusto ko nang tingnan kung pwede kong tanggalin itong box. Kasi, okay. Ay, alright. Pwede ko siyang tanggalin dito. Ay, okay. So, para maliit lang siya. Alright. Dapat hindi ito makita ni Holly. So, lagyan natin siya ng takip. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Good night. So at least, hindi na natin ito dadalhin na box. Akala ko ganito rin kalaki yung laman. Ganyan lang pala siya. Okay, good night guys.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.